Right, hello. This is a very quick video of how to use Premiere Pro for my class when you're doing just images, not actually filming yourself. So I'm going to share my screen. Here we go. I'm going to share this one. And this is what Premiere Pro looks like when you first open up the computer. So if you are doing a new project, you go up to here to new project. If you're doing a project that you already started, one lesson, and you're doing it, carrying on with it, then you go either here or you go open project and find it in your folder on your desktop. So I'm going to do a new project and I'm going to call it still photos, but you might be calling it science project or maths project, whatever you happen to be doing. We've got our location here. So remember, we're putting it into our folder, which is on our desktop, and it's called movies. So that's where we're putting it. And so that's a good one to use. And then go create. So it's going to have a little think here, and it's going to make that new little movie for us. And it's all going to be blank, but it's going to the right place. So when you're down here, you just go to skip this one. And here it is on our normal page where we've got our timeline down here and we've got what we can see. So the first thing we do is just like everything else, we right mouse click on here, we've got to import, and this time we have put a whole bunch of photos and things and images of whatever we're talking about onto our desktop. You can put it into your folder, which is movies. That'd be good as well. And so I'm going to click on this and then drag it, sorry, not drag it over, and just hit open, and it'll open up down here. Here's our picture. So we could do several of these. So I'm going to have another picture here. Let's have this one. And I'm going to have this one. And I'm going to open that one up. And so I've got two pictures here. Right, so just like before, we're dragging our movies across. This time we drag our pictures across. And so we let it go. And there it is there. And so there is our image. Now, we can go backwards and forwards on here, and we can see how long it lasts. There's the timer there, and it's going to last for 4.5 seconds. If we want to make that longer, we grab that and drag it out so it stays there for longer. We can do this independently of the voice, because we're going to do the voice second. So we're going to be talking about this in another video, blah, 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 explaining what these things are. And that's what we're going to do. So that is one image. We can click on here. We can drag this across, and we're going to put it onto here as well. Just like before, you can click on it. You've got your move tool here, selection tool here, and you can move that big so there's no gaps, there's no black gaps, and you can see as we go across here, then it'll turn to the other one. Now, if something's too small or not in the right place, or whatever it happens to be, you highlight it first on there, and then you go up to, often it defaults to the source thing, you want to click on Effect Controls. Why is no, here we go, click on that again. And then the one we're going to do is Scale. So the scale, and you'll be able to see it move in here. We can make things bigger or smaller, and so it fills up our thing. So there we go. So that's that one. And so you can see how that goes from that one there, and then it goes into a nice big image instead of a small image before. All the same tools work on here. So if you want to cut some time off, you can go to where you want it to be cut off, and you can use the razor blade, or you can just click on it, and you can use this tool here to move things around so it's there for a short amount of time. You can see the time up the top there where it goes. All right, so there is a whole bunch of things for you to try. I will unshare this now, and in the next video we are going to be having how to put sound or talk about those images that we have on there.